Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gautam Kumar. Today I will teach you chapter number 2 of your literature book from class 8. The name of the chapter is Granny's Tree Climbing. Granny's means grandmother and tree climbing. It means in this poem we will read about the action, the habit, the interesting habit done by poet's grandmother. That is written by Ruskin Bond. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay. So let's start the reading. My grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why. The poet says that my grandmother was a genius. You would like to know why. Why she was called a genius? She was called genius because she could climb trees. Even even the trees was even the trees was or were very even the trees were very high. It has a lot of branches, but she could able she could climb over the trees within a few minutes, within a few seconds, without any hesitation. She could climb. And mind you, you have to believe that when last she climbed a tree, she was 62. And you have to believe that when she was last climbed on the tree, she was 62 years old. So this habit of her is not from a one day activity. She learnt climbing the trees over the long run. She has tried for a long hour, for a long year. That's why she could learn how to climb over trees without any hesitation, without any problem, without any difficulty. Ever since childhood, she had had this gift for being happier in a tree than in a lift. Poet's grandmother always felt happy when she climbed over a tree. She felt herself happier when she was on a tree than in a lift. And though as years went by, she would be told that climbing trees should stop when she grew up. So when she was a child, uh, she loved to climb over the trees. And later it has become a habit, it became a custom, it became a habit for her, and she feel herself happy whenever she was in a tree. She didn't like to be in a lift, but she liked to be in a tree. But as soon as she grew old, most of the family member, most of the neighbor suggested her do not climb trees because now you have come to an age where you must have to stop climbing up the trees. Otherwise, you must have a terrible fall, or you will be get hurted, and there will be a difficult oldhood for you. So many of the members, many of the people had suggested grandmother do not climb over the trees, but she didn't pay attention to their words. The people suggested that if you will not leave stop climbing over the trees, your life would be disgraceful. If you want to live your life gracefully, if you live your life beautifully, peacefully, then you must have to leave climbing the trees. But grandmother, poet's grandmother, denied directly. She denied, and she said, "Let me live disgracefully, but I will not live climbing trees. Unless I will live, I will climb trees." And she said, "When I become older, I can do it better." And we had to agree, for in all the garden there wasn't a tree she hadn't been up at one time or another, having learned to climb from a loving brother when she was 6. So if there was a no tree around her house, She could not climb up. She could not beam up to the tree. She had learned climbing trees from her dearest brother when she was 6 years old. 6 years old. But it was feared by all that one day she had have a terrible fall. The outcome was different. While we were in town, she climbed a tree and could not come down. We went to the rescue, and then the doctor took Granny's temperature and said, Once, once it has happened to Poet's grandmother that when they were in the town, that time grandmother had been up in a tree and she didn't want to come down to the tree. So later, the rescue team means the people who go to save the other people. They are known as the rescue team. So the rescue team was called, and later, with the help of rescue team, grandmother came down from the tree, and she got terrified from because she she could she had climbed the tree, but she find herself unable to come down. She had a fear, she had a difficulty to come down from the tree. So the rescue team had come and they have helped the grandmother to come down to the tree. But when she come down the tree, she got terrified, and she got terrified. So that the doctor recommended her a week rest, and the doctor suggested the grandmother and the family member to keep her away from the tree climbing. Otherwise, she would be hurt, and she would be hurt her life also. And when she was confined to bed, everyone from his family and everyone from her family and her neighbor one become happy that she will be confined to a bed for a week. But she said that living a week without climbing a tree in a bed, I feel like a hill. I feel myself like I am living in a hill because this is the time of a summer, and in a summer time, leaves are dancing, and she want to be on the branches, but she held her peace till she felt stronger. But she saw everything, she felt everything. She wanted to be climb up. She wanted to see, to feel the dancing of the leaves, the dancing of the branches. But she also thought that if I would not be stronger, how can I climb up the tree? So she will be peaceful. She remain peaceful until she feel herself stronger than the earlier. And when she become stronger, he called poet's father and and her son, and without any hesitation, undauntedly, without any fear, she said to her son that I don't want to confine myself in a bed. I want to live on a top tree. I want to live on a house made at the top of the tree. She said undauntedly, she said without any fear, and my dad knew his duty. He said, That's all right, you will have what you want. Dear, I will start tonight. And being a good son, poet's father has said, I will do it, and I will start building of this treetop house from tonight. And with the help of expert assistant, he has completed his score within a day. And he had made a house at the top of the tree with a window, with a gate, with a window and with a gate. Now Granny lived at the top of the tree with his with her grandson, and they live happily their life. They have some fun. They drink sherry and reside in a tree, with, reside in a tree and live in a happy mood. So, in this poem, it is the story of a grandmother where uh, she was a fond, she has fond of climbing trees. she had learned climbing tree at the age of 6 from his dearest brother, and at the last time she climbed the tree, she was 62 years old. And this time, as she grew old, she didn't leave climbing up the trees. As she grew up, the more she grew up, the more she wanted to climb up the trees. And at the times come in her life that she she always want to live at the treetop house. So that poet's father and his son has made a treetop house, and now grandmother and grandmother and grandson means poet. They live at the treetop house, and their they live their life happily at the top of the house. That's all in this video. In the next video, we will see the question answer of this chapter.